Trump attorney sounds alarm on New York AG Letitia James amid civil fraud case. She campaigned on Trump. Haba said AG Letitia James campaigned on Trump and was forced to follow through. Trump attorney Alina Haba joined Sunday Morning Futures with host Maria Bartiromo on Sunday to discuss the latest on the former president's civil fraud trial in New York and argued New York Attorney General Letitia James should dismiss the case. Haba told Bartiromo that she would be filing for a mistrial but said the judge was the same judge who issued a gag order. These accusations that he overvalued assets. What kind of third-party people did you have or did Donald Trump have in terms of doing their own evaluation? Because, I mean, when you go to get deals you have to get auditors to okay the valuations that you put in, right? Did you have auditors to do that? Bartiromo asked. Haba said Trump had an accounting firm put together a compilation and added that the lenders he worked with were sophisticated lenders, such as Deutsche Bank. They weren't harmed, they were paid on time, they were paid with interest, they made money. But Letitia James is putting her nose into private companies and private individuals' work, which is not what is meant to happen, and the law that she's using is a consumer fraud law. So that she can establish some way to have control, to not have a jury to do certain things in this case that are nonsensical and shouldn't be happening, and we have been fighting it all along the way. The problem we have is the judge is the one that's going to make those decisions, and he's proven himself to be quite motivated by the other side, Haba said. Bartiromo also asked how Trump's children, who have testified in the case, fit into the situation. Haba said the kids were not involved and don't fit into the case at all. I believe that when they crafted this complaint, they looked at their titles, and they looked at, frankly, PR, and if you patch in the kids, it's more days that Letitia James can go out there and speak, it's more press for her, and it's more of an impact. Radical left liberals don't really care about facts, they don't care about law. They care about making statements, and these kids did nothing wrong. They should not be in this case. Ivanka is out of the case. The boys should not be in the case, their testimony was direct, and they want to make it as if there was some sort of corruption and some sort of conspiracy. There was none, she said. She said again that no one was harmed. But Mrs. James wanted a headline. She campaigned on this, remember, before she was even the Attorney General. That's how she got the Attorney General role. She campaigned on Trump, so she had to follow through, and she should really dismiss this case. It's making her look bad, frankly, and the city needs her attention elsewhere, Haba added.